Hello everyone and welcome to the MathDBase.com Anicasts series. I'm your host, John Kisiedu. In this installment in the Developmental Mathematics series, I will discuss Arithmetic Concepts Part 2, Converting Improper Fractions to Whole or Mixed Numbers. This Anicast includes a short quiz at the end. Subscribers to our channel who would like to request quiz answers can send an email with the title or code number of the Anicast. A fraction in which the value of the numerator is less than that of the denominator is called a proper fraction and represents less than one whole unit. For example, 4/15 and 1/3 are proper fractions. A fraction in which the value of the numerator is greater than that of the denominator is called an improper fraction and represents more than one whole unit. For example, 15/4 and 3/1 are both improper fractions. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction have equal value, provided that that value is not 0, then the fraction represents exactly one whole unit. For example, 2/2 and 7,629 over 7,629 both represent whole units. A mixed number consists of a whole number combined with a proper fraction, or a whole number and a decimal. For example, 5 1/3 and 7.03 are both mixed numbers. As we saw in the Fractions as Division Anicast, any fraction can be viewed as a division problem. If the numerator is a multiple of the denominator, division will result in a whole number with no remainder. For example, in the improper fraction 12/3, 12 is a multiple of 3, and division gives a quotient of 4 and remainder 0. If the numerator is not a multiple of the denominator, division will result in a whole number quotient and a remainder that is not 0. It is that remainder that adds the part which is less than a whole, a proper fraction with the remainder as numerator and the divisor as denominator. For example, carrying out the division in the improper fraction 17/3 gives a quotient of 5 and a remainder of 2. The quotient indicates that 17 objects can be placed into 5 groups with 3 objects in each, and the remainder represents an incomplete 6th group with 2 of 3 objects. To summarize, if the numerator is a multiple of the denominator, divide for a whole number quotient with 0 remainder. If the numerator is not a multiple of the denominator, divide, the quotient is the whole number part of the mixed number, then place the remainder over the divisor as the fractional part of the mixed number, then combine the parts.